As promised in the previous video, today we'll go over how to install these awesome under-the-counter LED lights. We repurposed the lower half of the outlet above the microwave. It's connected to the switch over there on the right, and it was intentionally wired up this way to control the counter lights below. This power supply connects to the little hub, and then I have these two extension wires coming out. We decided not to use the inline switch and the dimmer because we're satisfied with the light brightness as is. We are running the wires under the cabinets through the same hole we drilled for the microwave power cord. As we will see in the moment, the light bars are daisy chained in series, but we have two cables coming out of the hub because one cable goes behind the microwave and under the cabinet to the right, and the other goes behind the microwave and under the cabinet to the left. Down here, all three lights are daisy chained together and ready to be installed under the cabinet. To get the lights to the next section of the cabinet, we connected them with another extension and brought them up here, where I will be doing the same thing for the next section. I have another extension cable coming out from this plug and going behind the cabinet and down here to accommodate two more lights that will be attached to this extension cable under this cabinet. Let me show you how easy it is to mount them under the cabinet. We decided to use the double-sided tape for our application to make the light profile as thin as possible. The back of the light is a smooth aluminum plate that the double-sided adhesive strips adhere to. You just peel them off and stick them on. There's one on the right edge and another one on the left edge. I already did this middle one, so we will do the same thing on this one. Now you might be wondering why I'm doing this while the lights are on. I'm trying to figure out the best lighting and how far to install them from the wall. So I like it where it is right here. I'm going to just peel off the stickers and just press it on for a few seconds. And that's it. That light bar is mounted. Alright, let's go to the next one. I am limited here by the length of the cable, so I'm moving these around to find a nice spot that will create a well-lit corner area that will be a focus point for this space. Once again, I'm just taking the stickers off and pressing the light bar into place. With this third light bar installed, this section is done, and it's that easy. To secure these additional wires, I'm going to grab one of these little clips with the adhesive strip on the back. I found the best way to put them on is to clip them to the wire first, then peel off the adhesive cover and attach it into place with the wire nice and tight. To prevent these clips from falling off in the future, make sure you don't touch the adhesive portion of the tape and avoid getting any oils on it from your hands. I found that I needed at least one clip by the wire connectors to hold them in place, and the second one in the back of the cabinet where the wire is tucked up behind the cabinet. Because the connectors are roughly the same height as the light bar, I try to angle them behind it to minimize their visibility. Let's wrap up this last section. I'll give you a closer look at what I'm doing here. Begin by plugging in the remaining strips to ensure they're operational. The last thing you want to do is mount these and then discover that one of them is broken. With both plugged in, I'm checking for the best placement. Again, I'm simply applying stickers to the back of both light bars, peeling them off, and securing them in place. I grab the remaining clips and secure them to the wires before sticking them to the cabinet. At the end, there will be a plug that you should simply tuck behind the light bar on an angle. As for the rest of the extension wire, I have plenty of space behind these cabinets to hide them, but if you don't, you may have to drill the cabinets at strategic points to run the wiring. With the last wire tucked in behind the cabinets, let's check out the finished product. Remember, your support and engagement means the world to us. We appreciate every comment, like, and share as they help us grow and continue to provide this helpful content. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. Please leave your feedback or questions in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be there for the next one. If you want to see more of our renovation, here are the videos you should watch next. Take care of yourself, your family, and have a great day.